Okay, real quick, I'm just going to show y'all Twtr. So the only reason why I'm looking at this one is because of the pretty significant support line right here. It's been playing it for quite some time here, and the only reason why I'm thinking that this is going to be a good one to look at is because of the overall trend right here. So you've got this consolidation trend line right here. Let me just, well, zoom in a little bit. So as you can see, it's been trading inside of that margin right there. If I could just show you all a little bit better. So yeah, so basically I'm just waiting for it to come in and break this trend line right here. Let me just put a price line right here. Whoops. This right there, because that seems to be the acute resistance for now. Let's see if we can get a, yeah, so at 1688. So 1688 would be the resistance for an acute change. I'm just trying to confirm based on volume. The fact that the RSI is really low right now, we got a crossover action going on right here. So it could be a favorable condition to head back up to roughly a $20 mark. Now if we look at the Fibonacci retracement, you can see that we've got a little bit of a turnover at the 38.2. So I'm basically just waiting at that 38.2. Now if we draw another price level roughly around this region, you can see that the reversal right here is equal to that reversal right there. So as I've been saying, support turns to resistance and resistance turns to support. That's a pretty common knowledge at this point. So because this is part of the S&P 500, you know, it's going to follow that index fairly well. So this is one to look into for a longer term trade. Your profit margins, if all goes well, goes from here all the way to roughly $20. So, you know, from 1688 roughly to 1988 on a perfect trade. Obviously scale out as you go. I would scale out at the Fibonacci right here, or roughly the 1776. Okay, hope that helped. Oh, side note, intraday, just because I'm doing a little bit of analysis on trend days, or intraday, I would be surprised if it breaks below this trend line, given that the S&P 500 is doing so good right now. So just one to keep in mind. If it does break below the 1665, then, you know, go ahead and assume that this will, you know, consolidate some more in this region. We'll have to reevaluate everything again. All right, hope that helped.